Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw credit card payments to free up available credit. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing credit card payments, check your credit card terms for any applicable fees. Log into your credit card account through the bank's website or mobile app. Locate the payment section within your account dashboard. Select the option to make a payment. Choose the amount you wish to pay off your balance. Ensure that the payment is set to be withdrawn from your bank account. Double-check that you are using the available credit option to free it up. Confirm the payment date. Select a payment method, such as a bank transfer or checking account. Review all details to ensure accuracy. Submit your payment request. Monitor your account to confirm the payment goes through. Once the payment processes, your available credit will increase accordingly. Remember to keep track of your spending to manage your credit effectively. Always plan to make payments on time to avoid late fees and interest charges. By withdrawing payments, you can maintain flexibility and control over your credit. Consider setting up automatic payments for future convenience. This ensures your available credit is regularly freed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.